Hi everybody, Cannabeard here. How the heck are you guys doing? It's been a minute, eh? It's been a little while since I've done an actual video like this. And there's reasons for that, and I'll get to it in a second. But I just wanted to give a little update on the two new ones. Are still best buddies. They're totally getting along. Nobody's fighting with nobody. And as you can see, my chickens are going through a real hard molt right now. These two are anyway. The Buff Orpington and our Easter egger. There's just feathers everywhere. Look at this. I want to show you the inside of the run. I'm going to clean it out like today. That's why I'm videotaping it. But just look at the amount of feathers in here. It's just like somebody died in here or something. But just old fall molt. It's their first molt. What is that? Squawking in the tree. Oh, it's a blue jay. Careful there, Nugget. Anyway, they're doing well. I just sort of Mickey Moused up a bit of a fence thing here again. The old one fell apart and I had to sort of do something a little bit better. It's still quite Mickey Moused and whatnot, but it is a bigger area for them to run around in without too much concern. I do have some bird netting that I might put over the top here from these posts just to ensure that nothing swoops down and grabs them, but that's not a really big problem here from my understanding, but still better safe than sorry. So anyway, to the reason why I haven't really done a video in a while. Sorry about the mess, by the way. It's a total disaster. I'm in the middle of rearranging this whole thing, and I just decided to stop in the middle of it and film. So bear with the disaster, please. We got informed that they're selling our house. I am only a renter, and I've been here a long time, and we've dug in pretty deep, as you can see. Hey, little girl. How you go, honey? Nope, you're the wrong way? Okay. Anyway, they're selling the house on us. So we don't really know exactly how long we have right now. We have anywhere from a couple of months, like 3 months minimum. They have to give us like warning unless they pay like crazy out the yin-yang. But they can't actually sell this house until they do some repairs, which is going to be a lot easier once we're out. So we're just looking for a place right now, and hopefully everything lines up okay and we don't get stuck or in any problems. We're trying to find a place that obviously we can keep our chickens and the greenhouse and the rabbits and all that kind of stuff to, you know, see what we can keep kind of thing. But I found out a couple of months ago, about 2 months ago, and since then I've been feeling really down. I've been really kind of depressed about this whole situation. And that's pretty much the main reason why I haven't done a video as of late. They're all doing well. Yep, they all stopped laying at the same time. This one here had started laying with them, but as soon as they stopped, she stopped for some reason. I don't know why. She's not molting, but maybe it's like a hormone thing, like syncing up their egg periods or something. I have no idea. I'm new to chickens still, so yeah, this is new to me. Yeah, so anyway, I haven't been feeling very inspired, as we might have to move our chickens. We might even have to lose them depending on how our situation moves. Rentals are very scarce. We're trying our damnedest to buy a cheap little house with just enough yard that we can do what we need. But even though mortgages are cheaper than rents, banks still don't approve them half the time, and it's hard to find something that we can afford. Is our sort of a problem. But we're looking. We might have some lines on something. So fingers crossed, everybody in the comments. Wish us some luck. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update, show you that everybody's doing well. I think it's funny how Flappy looks right now. She is very disheveled. She's missing big patches of feathers and stuff, but yeah, she's healthy. I checked her out. I had a good look at her. But there's a lot of little preened feather nubs that are coming. It's interesting. I've never seen this, so let me know in the comments before if you've ever experienced a molting before. At least your first molt is something else. Anyway, don't forget to, I'm gonna go, guys, but don't forget to like the video, subscribe, as I'll keep you updated on what's happening here. And I'm gonna do my damnedest to keep my chickens going. Man, this is a mess. Holy crap. It's a good thing there's nothing bad here for you. It's just chicken run stuff, but it's all over the friggin' place. Anyway, bye-bye for now. Cheers.